Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, stock number 28509T. This one is a deep red in color. I want to say Delmonico. I don't want to say that and be wrong about the actual color. Very stylish headlights. Nice black trim accent here around the fog lights. That black trim does continue around the vehicle. Down here, got the granite colored 18-inch wheels here. Those remind me like of an older SRT neon wheel, kind of. I really like that style though, that snowflake. Heated mirrors with lane sense. You can see it in there. Taking a look on the inside here, we have power mirrors, windows, locks. We also have power premium leather seats with lumbar control. Now this leather does have white stitching all the way up. It has the sport package. I mean the S package, sorry. I shouldn't say sport package, it does not stand for sport. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control anything from backup camera to climate control, as well as like anything to do with your radio, and there's apps on there as well. Real nice, real fun to get into. Turn dial shifter, more hard buttons for climate control. We got auxiliary options down here. Your DVD player plays Blu-ray. Also got a storage compartment here. Maybe put your discs in there, your Blu-rays. Center console area. We got the cruise control, gauge cluster controls, hands-free options for Bluetooth. This button's for preset. There's one just like it on the other side for volume. This does have a panoramic sunroof. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm gonna go up top. Look how big that thing is. Plus one all the way back in the rear for everyone in the vehicle to enjoy the sunlight. Power sliding doors. This vehicle does have Stow and Go seating. What is that? Well, that's where these seats fold flush into the floor, making this area big enough inside for a whole piece of plywood if you wanted. That's how big these are. Got your DVD system built right into the back of the headrest here. Very, very nice feature if you have children. Keeps them quiet in the car. These captain chairs are heated as well. Backup camera, power rear hatch. Just hit the button. Opens up effortlessly. Now these back seats do fold flat as well, allowing you to, like I said, put up to like something big, about the size of a piece of plywood in there. I really like the design change on those too. Button chain, button to lower the hatch. Really like the design of these Chrysler Pacificas. Thoroughly enjoy talking about them as well. Come out and see me. I can tell you anything you need to know about it. Again, this is a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, stock number 28509T. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website, sherrychrysler.com.